To set up the Uniswap SDK, start by installing the required dependencies, including Node.js and a code editor or IDE. The Uniswap SDK is a JavaScript library that allows developers to interact with the Uniswap protocol, a decentralized exchange on the Ethereum blockchain. First, create a new JavaScript project and install the Uniswap SDK package using npm or yarn. This package provides a set of functions and classes that simplify the process of interacting with the Uniswap protocol. Next, import the Uniswap SDK into your project and set up a new instance of the SDK. This instance will be used to connect to the Ethereum blockchain and interact with the Uniswap protocol. To connect to the Ethereum blockchain, you need to provide the SDK with a provider, such as Infura or Alchemy. This provider will be used to fetch data from the blockchain and send transactions. Once you have set up the SDK and connected to the blockchain, you can start using the Uniswap protocol to trade tokens, provide liquidity, and more. The SDK provides a range of functions and classes that make it easy to interact with the protocol, including functions for getting token prices, trading tokens, and adding liquidity to pools. Best practices for setting up the Uniswap SDK include using a secure provider, handling errors and exceptions properly, and keeping your code organized and readable. It is also important to test your code thoroughly to ensure that it is working as expected. In terms of key concepts, it is essential to understand the basics of the Uniswap protocol, including how liquidity pools work, how token prices are determined, and how to use the protocol to trade tokens. You should also be familiar with JavaScript and the Ethereum blockchain, as well as the basics of decentralized finance and cryptocurrency trading. By following these steps and best practices, you can set up the Uniswap SDK and start building your own decentralized finance applications. The Uniswap SDK is a powerful tool that provides a range of features and functionality. And with the right knowledge and skills, you can use it to create innovative and effective applications.